Oh my god, it's Tifa! What the hell? Did she try to punch me? Cause she totally like missed. Her aim must be bad when she's knocked out, I guess. I don't know. Tifa. Why does she laugh in her sleep? She is crazy.
Kill her. I'm gonna kill Rito tomorrow.
Oh shit. What the hell? What the hell? She slapped me and it didn't even hurt. Stop it, Keela. Ah, stop it, Keelama. Wait, why is Keelama here? Stop snoring! God damn you! Get up, Tifa! Get up! 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 Oh, forget it.
Oh, kill the Rito. Kill the Rito.
Oh, crazy.
Ah! Damn. Rito? Rito?
I'm right here, Tifa. Stop poking me.
Why do I hear an annoying buzzing sound? Rito?
I'm right here.
Rito?
What the hell?
Rito?
I'm right here. Stop poking my face.
Rito?
I know I have drool on my face, but come on now. Move, Keelama.
Rito?
What, Tifa?
Oh my god, it said my name. The fly said my name.
I'm not a fly. What? What the hell?
I killed the fly.
And now, kill your
That was a blooper.
We messed up too much. Nathan's birthday came undone.
What the hell was it like punching you in the neck?
You went to punch me and it was totally fake. Dude, this one cut off.
Damn, I didn't realize.
This one recorded it.